last ride with our motorbikes. After 7 days we now have to return them. Bye bye bikes. In Myanmar we started a very tough mission. We planned to do a massage in every country we go, and the massage in Myanmar was already really nice, but now we go to the original Thai massage in Thailand. Let's see if we survive.
And we found a very cheap one. The massage was really painful for me. It was like, it was hurting a lot, and in the next minute it was really relaxing, and then it was hurting again. Sometimes I thought maybe they hurt you so much that you feel somehow released at the end.
This morning we returned the motorbikes, and instead we now have a scooter, and we want to visit a temple which is a little bit outside of Chiang Mai. Overlook provides a fantastic view of Chiang Mai.
We're going to visit now the Tong Waterfall.
This waterfall is special. It's allowed and even intended to climb here. Such a cool place. Any other waterfall you go, it says no swimming, keep out. And here it's the complete opposite. It said go climbing, it's safe, the rocks are not slippery, and the best, the water is not even cold. This is the spring of the waterfall. If you want to go here, I recommend you to visit this place early. We've been the third scooter that was here this morning.
Good morning. We are finally leaving Chiang Mai, and we're trying to catch a bus to Chiang Rai today, and it will take about 3 or 4 hours.
hours we arrived in Chiang Rai. We checked out our hostel and we are just right now rushing back to the bus station because we heard there's a light show at the White Temple tonight. Oh damn, we missed our bus. We need to take a taxi. Our taxi became a tuk-tuk. Second time today we have bad luck. We are now at the White Temple and there's no show at 8:30, so we missed the first show, but we had luck at one point. The toilets, they are usually closed at 3:46, but they are open now. It's our second day in Chiang Rai. It's probably our last day in Thailand for now, or at least for this year, because tomorrow we'll go to Laos. So yesterday we wanted to visit a White Temple, but it didn't work. But that's no problem. In Chiang Rai you have choices, so you can just visit a blue temple. Yeah, I think the guy looks like me. One of the best things as a backpacker is you don't have to do your own laundry. You just bring it there and then 6 hours later you get it back fresh and fold it like you could never do it.
Something shit on my phone. Yummy.